What is up, guys? Lee here. Today I'm going to show you how to flambe alcohol. You can do this to make flambe coffees. You can make all sorts of fire alcohol drinks. So look them up online, but now you'll know the process. So basically what I have here is a glass. This could be any glass that you're making your cocktail in. I've got a camping stove. Outbound brand. I think it cost me about $35. It's connected to butane. Super simple, just lights up here. And then I've got a glass. This is my vessel for pouring the alcohol, the Everclear that I'm using today, but I recommend using something like Grand Marnier that smells good. So just use a glass with a nice big lip, and a thicker glass so that it won't break under the heat. So basically what you're going to want to do is heat up the glass. So we're just heating the glass up, but you don't want to get it too hot because once the cold alcohol touches the hot, if it's too much of a heat difference or a temperature difference, it will make the glass explode. So we'll just put a little bit in there. And the glass is warm, so it's going to start warming up the alcohol inside. So you're going to want to just swirl it around to warm it up. And then just pass it over the fire. So there we go. Starts up. And then you might want to practice this a few times first with water, just pouring in to do a straight one. And just start near the glass. And then once you're going, pour slow and just lift away from the glass. So doesn't it look nice? So yeah, this is flambeing alcohol. Great party trick, old school flambe method. So there we go. So when you're marketing this, well, obviously it's a fire trick, so you don't want to do this. I'm just showing you how to do this. Carry a fire extinguisher though. And I market this for anywhere from $50 to $350 extra on top of any booking. And people for Christmas parties eat it up like crazy. So just another thing to add on to your bartending service. Thanks for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe. And yeah, until we meet again. Like and subscribe.